to Bagarmossen. Have anyone been here before?
No, my first time.
Nice, it's the first time here. We're going to go on the tour in the forest for about 4 or 5 hours. The tour is around 5.5-6 kilometers. So we're going to begin by walking north and passing through a few things. But there are different rules in different reserves. You always have to read.
Yes, they have, but I'm scared of the sea and the deep water, like Kalatufuki or whatever.
Oh, they make nippon soppa from here.
Yeah, you can make nippon soppa out of this.
Ah, nice.
They are.
We found some lingon.
Okay. And this one is like a super plant. You can eat the leaves.
Yes.
You can eat the seeds. They're very nutritious. They are good for your hair, your skin.
But they're not poisonous.
No. What's that? This is how do you distinguish this? When you have decided it is a kremla, you can way to feed it kremla, if you try to break it, it's very like fragile. It's really there are thousands of mushrooms.
How do you know that it's eatable?
To decide if it's eatable or not, you can take some of this and
And eat.
not
then
eat
if you die,
Don't die. You know it's eatable.
This is also one. I think it could be the same one. The bag for example. Yes, this one is, but I think it's too mushy, and if you look inside of it,
No, don't show me.
Let me see.
they're getting like small.
They're sponge. They're like SpongeBob.
They are like sponge mosquitoes, so they are living here. This one is a bit. It's not lethal. If you eat this, I'm going to get like sick. I'm going to throw up. But I'm also going to have some kind of trick.
But what kind of medicine? What does that cure?
Reality. Yeah, I guess that.
Yeah, I think it's like you can enlighten your spirit.
Like anxiety. Cures anxiety.
You could give him a name.
Oh!
you. In one side, there are many branches. Either you hold hands, but if you're uncomfortable with that, you can like hold one hand on the person in front of you's shoulder. I'm going to use the drum, and then you are going to close your eyes and follow that sound of the tea. And out of your mouth. Feel the sensation of the air flowing through your nose, going through your throat, feeling your life. Sparks.
And then there was fire! Oh my god!
And you break this in more pieces, so it's not so fluky. It never breaks down. We had a lot of the ecosystem. Yeah, to get it out, you have to